St. Paul.
St. Paul again, amen. Thank you very much.
George. Where are you, George? George. Hey, George. How's Samantha? No. George Harrison. Well, what can you say about Christmas?
Well, Governor, you think Christmas rocks? Christmas rocks. Christmas because Jesus came to us. That's why Christmas rocks. It's happening to us.
Cool, man. Cool, man. Give a clap, man.
You know where he came from, you know what I mean? I don't know what that is, it's sort of like tough, you know, half English.
Last but not the least. Hey, Paul. Last but not the least. The very famous Ringo Starr. Let me go on, man. Well, what do you say about tonight?
First of all, I just want to say thank you for coming tonight. Thanks for rocking. And happy birthday, Jesus.
That's it. Once again, put your hands together to the top four, the Beatles.
Well, it's the end of the show, right? So the program is finished. So I'd like everyone to stand up and dance with us, if that's alright with you, right? Yeah? Let's stand up.
Come on, Beatles.
Okay, are you guys ready again? Sorry, we only prepared one song here, so everyone stand up and we'll twist and shout again. Alright, let's go. Oh, shake it, baby, now.